Welcome back, everyone. It is day 2 here at BIR, another day of qualifying. Today, both cars are still in good condition. Be making more test passes, qualifying passes. This car, we're still trying to get the fuel map figured out, so we're just messing with the fuel. And Cole's cars obviously got a little bit more passes on it than mine, so they're starting to pour some boost into that thing versus mine. Just kind of trying to get it figured out. This will be, I believe, our 10th pass on the car with the new combo. So if you guys made it this far, I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. Same thing today as far as yesterday goes, hopefully making some new personal bests. And yeah, we're headed up to the lanes right now. We'll see what she does.
5:16 at 140.9.
All right, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Nice A to B run. Definitely felt a little faster. Definitely felt faster on the big end by a little bit. Oh man, pretty awesome. That was a good lick. We'll take that.
Here he goes, he's going in the beams. .516. 5:16 at, I didn't see the mile an hour, but he's gonna go a 4 today.
5:16, baby.
Yeah, he's gonna go a 4 today. There we go. First pass Saturday qualifying.
.555 at 129.3.
Sounded like it was breaking up a little bit. It went a 5:55 though. I saw the boards, I didn't see the mile an hour. Nice and straight, but I didn't like the way it sounded. Hey! Woo! I saw your pass. I went at 55.
Nice.
It sounded like it was breaking up a little bit though. I didn't like the way it sounded, but
Really?
it went dead straight.
Yeah, I think the track is pretty good.
Yeah, and it's kind of cool off.
Yeah, it's definitely colder than the last run yesterday. I
You
heard
wanna
it.
roll my window down?
I heard you coming down the track.
Yeah.
Things loud.
Oh yeah. Especially at higher RPMs, I mean.
Right? They have 55 off the trailer today. That's
Right.
freaking awesome, dude. Good work.
Well, my GoPro's dead, so sorry about the bouncy camera here. I'm trying to steer on my way back, but went a 086 on the light, 137.60, which is pretty bad, but we're pouring it on a lot late. lot later in the run. This car struggled when we tried to put a little bit in the front half. So we get back, Brian's gonna probably throw a little bit in it earlier. Won a 555 at 129.3. Yesterday we won a 550. So no improvements yet, but did look, and I said that it sounded like it was misfiring. Had a spark plug wire come off the coil. So I checked all the ones yesterday when we changed plugs. We changed plugs after our runs yesterday, but I didn't check the ones on the coil. That's probably why it sounded like it wasn't firing on all 8. But gonna head back to the pits here. Cole got left at the top end, so poor him. I think his dad's watching someone make some passes. Make some adjustments and see what she does next pass. Alrighty, so we're back in the pits here. Just pulled number 8 plug there. Number 1 plug here. I'll lift them over. These are brand new plugs. We put them in last night. Looked at the tune. We're kind of still trying to figure out the fuel, but we did put more into the front half. That should help out a little bit. We're pushing up again here for the pass, second pass of the day. Put some more in the front half. Obviously we had a little coil issue. It was on the coil, but it just wasn't snapped on. We'll see if the track's there. If the track's there, it should get down. It's not gonna be a whole lot faster, but you know, it's still only our 11th pass with the combo. Get some footage from Cole's car. He goes right before me, and then it'll be me, and we'll be right back to the pits again. So see you guys in the lanes. Cole's in the burnout box right ahead of me again. I think they're looking for maybe a low 5 here, or maybe a 4.
At 143.2 for Carpy.
Another clean run. Track definitely felt a little bit more slick. I was doing the little shuffle. I love the slicks, man. It's fun. For some reason, it seemed like the bump box was a little low. I had to click it like 5 times. We added a little bit to it, I think. Might have picked up a couple numbers. I didn't see the scoreboard when I went by. I'm gonna guess maybe a 511, 510, just because of the heat of the day. But the car felt good. I know CJ's coming down here. I'll be able to hear him. Hopefully he gets down safe and fast, and we'll see what happens there.
Here we go.
At 103, sounded like he might have let off around 400 feet.
It was breaking up up again. I'm not gonna try to ruin something, man. I didn't like the way it sounded, so there's no reason to ruin anything. I thought it was a spark plug issue, but obviously I don't think it was, so. God, I don't know what that could be. I don't know if I should have stayed in it or not, but it just doesn't sound good. It's frustrating, but I'm gonna 08 on the lead again. 135 to the 60, which is a little bit better. Obviously, we've still gotten better 60s. 364 to the 330 and a 575 to the 8th. Like I said, though, I let out of it right at like probably 3rd gear, I would say. I can't remember. It was just didn't sound like it was running perfect. And this, you know, I've always been taught if you don't feel something right, then let out. There's no reason to wreck anything. So I let out of it and coasted. Definitely did feel a little bit heavier on the hit. We took a little bit of timing back in right off the 60 foot. So it would have probably been a high 40s. So I don't know, we'll get back. We're probably gonna pull the plugs. Maybe might be throwing sparks, so who knows. We'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know, keep you updated. Found the issue. Got a cracked spark plug, so that's why it was misfiring. We just pulled that number 5 out, the one that we didn't have the plug on the coil all the way, and it cracked it. So we're just gonna replace this one and then make our last pass today and see if it fixes the issue. Alrighty, we are heading up for the last pass of the day, 3rd pass of the day. We added 100 RPMs on the 2-step and we changed all the spark plugs. So hopefully it fixes the issue of the car misfiring, but we'll see what she does. Cole's in the lanes right now. They're running a little bit different run order. So last pass of the day, here we go. And I forgot to mention they are gonna try to go with 4 with Cole. We'll see if he can get his first 4. That'll be a really exciting accomplishment for him.
At 144.9. That should move them up a spot or two.
Well, last run of the day went really good. That one felt faster. We put more to it, so I don't know if it was enough for a 4 though. I had a ton of fun. Car's driving awesome. Felt good. I mean, it's just, thing feels like it's on a mission right now for me. That was a lot of fun. CJ's making his last pass of the day as well, probably right now. Hopefully he goes A to B, everything's good. He had a little spark plug issue. He had a broken spark plug tip and it was misfiring at about half track, so they threw all new plugs back in it and stuff. So hopefully that fixes that problem.
Here he goes. Let's see if we can get a 4.
Here we go.
506. Dang it. So close.
speed.
Go, dude. It's on 546. Woo! That's a great way to end it. Wasn't breaking up. I think I might have short shifted a little bit, but God, that was awesome. I can freaking feel that one. Still a little soft off the 60 foot, but it finally wasn't breaking up. I think we found our issue. Wow. Cole won a 506. He's right here in front of me. So both personal bests for us. Holy smokes, dude. What a day. Wow. That was awesome. Well, I think it's pretty safe to say we fixed the issue. Went a 132.60, 358 to the 330 and a 546 at 130. So personal best for me. Like I said earlier, we were having issues. Car was not firing on all 8. I was super excited. I think I short shifted a little bit, and I think I'm so used to just shifting at a certain point that it's just kind of a habit now. So probably could have got more out of that pass, but regardless, man, that was awesome. That was so awesome. Put a little bit more in the 60 foot and took it today. We put that 100 in it yesterday, and it spun on the 2-step. The top person in our class, or this limited street 660 class right now, is running high 490, so it's got a little bit of work to do, but I can only run 35s anyways before I'm out of my cage cert. What a great way for me and Cole to end the day. He won a 506 personal best, and I won a 546 personal best. So tomorrow will be eliminations. We'll be up bright and early for that, 9 a.m. We probably won't run till 11, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That will be a wrap for today, day 2 here at Brainerd International Raceway. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.